going to use our chimney starter. So this guy here is basically a vertical column. We're going to load this with all the briquettes. We're going to use a couple of natural fire lighters. We're going to put it underneath, light those. And then what that's going to do is it's going to concentrate the heat in a vertical fashion. All right, so we're going to get our briquettes. We're going to fill this chimney starter up to the top. That's probably more than enough. I've got my natural fire lighters here, which I'm just going to put at the bottom here. And we'll start those and just pop that straight on the top. All right, so we're going to give these about 15 minutes or so. We'll come back, we'll check them out. They should be nice and ashed over and ready to go. All right, so just positioning the baskets in the middle as much as I can. And we're just going to pour these in now. Return the grill, and that's good to go.